See here, it is coming up here. It should go down here. It should come up. Then it should go down. In the next place, it should come up. So this thread should go down now. See here, the thread is coming down at this point. It should come up here, down here, up and then down. So the working thread should go over the previous thread. Now see, the thread is coming up there. The next point should come down. So this thread should go over the previous thread. Now see the thread, it is going up there, down, and then it should go up here, it should go down there, it should go up in this point. So the working thread should go down the previous stitch line. Now the thread is coming down, it should go up, down, and this thread should go over the previous line. Here it is going up, next it should come down. So this thread should go over the previous line. Now see, the thread is going up, then down, then up, down, up. This thread should go down the previous stitch line. Here the thread is going down, next it should come up, then down, up, down. So this thread should go up. Here it is going up, then down. So this thread should go over the previous stitch line. Now see, the thread is going up, then down, up. So this thread should go down the previous stitch line. Here it's going down, then it should go up, and then down, then up, and then it should go down the existing stitch line, and we are finishing this framing of the first part. In the second part, we are going to complete these 4 boxes. Now start in this point. While passing the thread, we have to see the previous stitch line. So here it is going down, here it should come up. So this thread should go down the previous line, then up the next line, and then we have to pull through the thread. Now see, here it is going up, here it should come down. So this thread should go over the previous stitch line. Now see, the previous stitch line, it is going up, then it should come down. So this working thread should go up, down, up, and pull through the thread. Here it is going up, it should go down there. So here it should go up and then down. And we are finishing the framing in this point. Now we are going to frame the center square. Here it is coming down, then it should go up in this point. So this working thread should pass down and then up. See here, it's going up, then it should come down. So this thread should go up and then down and then up. The thread is going up here, next it should come down. So this thread should go up and then down and then up. Here the thread is coming up, here it should come down. So now the thread should pass up and then down, then it should go up and then finally it should come down, and we are going to finish in this point. Now the complete framing for this design is complete. Now we have completed the interlacing or weaving in the edges of the design. Now we are going to interlace the center portion. Again start by going down the thread, then alternately go up and down as we have done before and complete the center part. We have completed interlacing this corner and around the design. Here you can see this center portion of each motif is not interlaced completely. See, this 4 areas is not interlaced completely. So for that you have to come up at any one corner, then the same thing, go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, again up, down, up, down, and finish it in this place. Then again start in this corner. If this video is confusing, I have a picture tutorial in my blog. I have given the link in description. You can go and check out there.